Because the brain lacks a single clock that measures time, 1 hour of staring at the wall can feel much longer than 1 hour of watching an action movie. Until Einstein's theories and quantum mechanics challenged this notion, physics agreed that time is linear. Now the question is whether time is a human concept. Einstein said, "Put your hand on a hot stove for a minute and it seems like an hour. Sitting with a pretty girl for an hour feels like a minute." According to Einstein, time is relative and depends on the observer. Some scientists and philosophers believe that time does not exist and that it is merely an illusion. There would be no beginning or end to anything in the universe if time did not exist. Wouldn't everything happen all at once? Is it possible to watch this video before it is published? Is time real, or is it just a concept that we invented? Maybe it is past time to find out. Before we proceed in this discussion, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. The human brain does not have a single time-measuring clock. Where does our sense of time originate then? Many factors, such as memories, feelings, and our degree of focus, affect how we perceive time. While we're engaged in delightful activities, time seems to fly, yet it moves slowly when we're stifled by monotony. According to one study, as we become older, time passes faster. We can't find a single region that deals with time in our brain. Time perception has been linked to different parts of our brain, including the frontal cortex, basal ganglia, parietal cortex, cerebellum. Feeling hungry, sleepy, or energetic at certain times of the day affect how we perceive time. We have our body's own circadian rhythm, a 24-hour biological sleep-wake cycle. It helps us understand the time of day and controls the body's regular essential functions. This makes it obvious that our perception of time does not obey the clock or the calendar and can vary sometimes wildly. Time is something that passes, marked by changes in our surroundings like the sun rises, seasons change, etc., and the processes within our bodies like heartbeat and aging. Events progress in a forward direction from the past to the present and then into the future. This perception also corresponds to Stephen Hawking's theories of the psychological arrow of time and the thermodynamic arrow of time. The way we experience things is always moving in a one-way direction. So, does our awareness of time mean that time exists? Not likely. The big picture is much larger and goes far beyond our limited subjective experiences. For centuries, the flow of time from past to present to future was thought to be constant, as if the universe works like a mechanical clock. However, in 1915, Einstein released his theory of general relativity, which showed that time is neither absolute nor linear. This opposes the previous theories set by Newton, Galileo, Copernicus, and other great scientists. The theory of relativity states that the past and present cannot be absolute, as time depends on the frame of reference or how fast it's moving. The closer you move to the speed of light, the longer your time will be, and this is known as time dilation. This has been confirmed through the Haffel-Keating experiment by flying ultra-precise atomic clocks on jumbo jets. Even radioactive atoms, while moving, experience less time passing than those that are stationary. Einstein suggested that time is stitched together with space into a single spacetime fabric. Everything in the universe is embedded in the spacetime fabric. The fabric is smooth, continuous, and can curve around matter, or energy. The Sun, with its massive energy levels, creates a dent in spacetime, causing surrounding planets, including the Earth, to travel around it. This is what causes gravity. While shifting from a biological to a cosmic level, time appears to be different from what our senses tell us. In spacetime, distinctions between the past, present, and future are illusions. There is no fixed moment called the present or something that is happening now. My now can be different from your now because relativity says that there is no absolute now. Science still relies on time and its mathematical formulas. For example, where would the second law of thermodynamics, that makes big power plants and heat engines tick, be if we denied the existence of time altogether? Moreover, we socially constructed the idea of time long before we came up with the laws of physics, so time is here to stay. No matter how well we understand the time-space continuum, we still need to check our clock when we have a meal to cook, a class to attend, or a plane to catch. In other words, if time is an illusion, it's a necessary one.